Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can connect to the Modicon M173 inductive sensor or capacitive sensor to a digital input. So let's go to the presentation. So in order then to connect something to the M173, it's important to know the characteristics. So all the digital inputs that we have in this controller are dry contact. Okay, so dry contact meaning that you need to close with the ground, okay, in order then to see the 0 or 1 depending on the status that you have. But the important thing is that you don't need to apply voltage to the input because you may damage it. And this is taken from the hardware manual of the equipment. Okay, and this are the characteristics for the digital input. Now, all digital inputs, as you can see here, are on this slide, okay, which is indicates the CN9, if I'm not wrong. CN9, yes. So in order to check the actual status, you just need to go to the BIOS parameter in case you want it. Just press this 2. You will see menu BIOS, here, up, set, and you have all the digital inputs. Okay, I have digital input 1, 2, digital input 4, which is the other one that you saw in the previous video. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is to use the digital input 6 for a sensor. So I don't think I have something metallic now. Yeah, I have. I found something. I have an inductive sensor here. So if I connect this is number 6. No. I need something metallic. Not detecting this. Why not? I think I need to check the sensor out. So, okay, I'm back. I found this. So again, set, escape, up, set. This one is the digital input 6, if I'm not wrong. Number 5. There we go. So I'm just going to show it online to you. Okay, so how we can make this connection? So in order to make this connection, what we need is to have a relay in the middle. So you can see here. So it would depend, of course, which is the sensor that you're using, but basically it can be inductive or capacitive, and then you just need to check if it's 3 wires or 4 wires, and then you just need to check how is the connection. So in this case, I'm using this one. So I have the power supply for the sensor, and then using this output in order to trigger the coil on this relay, and then I close the circuit over here because it's just a switch. This one is just a relay, okay, which is different if you use the one for the solid state relay, which is different. So I recommend you to use these ones. Okay,